Wildfire way to the north, and all of that gloomy, just scary looking air is there. Lots of people asking like, oh, would that ever come to Houston? Would it?
Well, the smoke is not here.
Right.
That smoke is not coming here.
Could it come here?
If the weather pattern were a certain way, it could.
But it's not.
But it's not.
Gotcha.
So we're not having any smoke. Our air quality issues are strictly with, it's homegrown. We look at the weather pattern here, and we're underneath this big ridge of high pressure. When you sit under a ridge of high pressure, what happens is it acts like a lid on a boiling pot. It just traps everything underneath it. So what's happening is our tailpipe emissions and the emissions from all the big container ships and the super tankers coming in and out of the Houston ship channel, well, that comes out as CO2. The sun cooks it and turns it into O3. That's ozone. So what we're dealing with is high levels of ground level ozone. And that's very common with a weather pattern like this. And we get this weather pattern off and on every summer. So nothing out of the ordinary is happening here. What is out of the ordinary is what's happening up here. They've got these wildfires up in Canada, over 400 of them just right in here. And the smoke, because of the weather pattern, low pressure's parked itself right here. And that counterclockwise rotation is pulling that smoke down into New England and New York. And so they've got the smoke. We've got the lid. It's two separate things completely. And if you can imagine this river of air, this jet stream is sort of separating the two from each other. Okay, air quality for the next several days might reach unhealthy levels for sensitive groups here in Houston. That means if you have emphysema, if you have breathing problems, and for regular folks, it shouldn't cause a problem. But if you want to stay out of the ozone that we'll possibly have the next 3 days, all you have to do is stay inside in the air conditioning. That will keep the ozone filtered out, and you'll completely be safe from it. 4 o'clock in the afternoon to 7 o'clock in the afternoon. That's when ozone peaks in the Houston area when we get it. High temp today went to 90, normal's 92, record is 99. We're 5 inches ahead on our rainfall. It's a beautiful, quiet summer evening, 81 at Hobby. Bush is still a rain-cooled 73 from earlier showers. And we have one little shower over here near Boona, East Texas, that's it. We're quiet. But out in West Texas, we can see our storms. This is an upper-level disturbance near San Angelo. It's going to ride the upper-level winds in here, and this is what's going to give us a rain chance tomorrow. This is 7 a.m. in the morning. We're quiet in the morning. We go into lunchtime at noon, 91. We're in good shape. But you can see the storms looming in the distance off here near Austin. That will come in as a line of showers and thunderstorms going into 3, 4, 4:30, maybe by 4:30 reaching about the I-59 corridor. These may bring brief gusty wind, brief heavy rain. The line's going to move quickly. It's down to the coast by 7 o'clock, and then it pushes on off. This should give us some rain-cooled air for tomorrow evening, but we're going to get this chance for thunderstorms. And then after that, high temps are off to the races. We may get near triple digits toward the end of next week. This is a 10-day outlook as this weather pattern, this ridge of high pressure right here over the Baja begins to build in. That's the heat ridge. You get underneath that ridge. Here's the heat building into Houston as we head into the middle and latter part of next week. So here's Thursday. Mild start, hot by noon, 60% chance you get some of these thunderstorms tomorrow, high 92. The extended forecast, Friday 95, Saturday 96, Sunday 96, then you see 97, 97, 98. Next week's going to be hot. If you've got kids at summer camp, you've got outdoor activities, make sure you are planning and thinking ahead to keep kids and elderly safe. Hydration and just don't overexpose to the heat next week. Guys, back to you.
Thank you, David. Well, it's the